Fear, lot of fear we are having with the society, with our relationship, with our friends, with our relatives, and also with our love, marriage life. What is a fear? It is a basically it is a very important thing which is on towards our mind related thing. When we are getting pain, or when we are getting the unwanted things, whatever we are not expected, causes the fear. Everyone lives with the fear. Everyone putting a mask to overcome the fear. Where does this fear comes and how to overcome the fear? It is very important. Astrologically speaking, your third house, the courage. From the third house, the sixth house is your eighth house, fear. The fear leads to depression and inferiority complex. What to do next? We don't know what to do next. How to overcome it? First, we must know what is the fear and the eighth house and the third house, how does it acts in our life. You might see of your friends or in your relations, they may say, my the father-in-law, mother-in-law or husband's family are giving me lot of stress and I am having lot of fear on them. Where does this fear comes? Because your husband or your opposite person or your public life, the next house of the seventh house is your eighth house. The fear comes from there. Number 2, when you are not getting the things on your hand, either by your opposite person or by your, if you are not able to overcome the diseases, court cases, finance from the opposite person, then comes the, from the sixth house, the third house is the eighth house. If you are not getting the proper sleep, though, so when you are not getting the proper sleep, you are getting disturbed, and from eighth house you are not getting the proper sleep because it is the fifth house from the eighth house. So if you are not getting money, if you are lacking on the financial things, if you are having if you are not having the courage to face, if you are not having the proper guidance to overcome the stress, you are getting the fear. Fear gives the depression, fear gives the inferiority complex, fear gives the stress. So when you are having the fear, you can't sleep. So it is related towards the astrological factors only. So how to overcome it? First we must understand third house, sixth house, eighth house and 12th house. If we understand these houses and the planets and the karaka of these houses and the karakas planets, where does they are seated and how does it works on our chart, then very interestingly we can overcome the fear. When we overcome the fear, we can live happily, we can live without a depression, we can lead in the life, we can rise up in our life very easily. If you are seeing the children's, they are very happy because they are not worried on their finance. Only they are worried on their marks. That is also what the stress we are putting on them. They are not worried on their money, court cases, or their courage, and they are getting a good sleep. Because if they are not going behind those things, they are very happy and they are getting a good sleep. Like that, we must understand ourselves, and we must overcome. The biggest helping tool will be an astrology,